Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change iPhone charging sound. If you are using any iPhone and you want to change your iPhone charging sound whenever you try to plug in the charger on your iPhone, it just reveal a sound. So let's see how can you change this. So in your iPhone, there's no any direct way to change your iPhone charging sound, but you can still do that by a simple trick. You just have to open your Shortcuts app. You can easily install it from your app store if you can't find the app. Just open Shortcuts app. Go to automation here, just tap on this new automation option, and here just scroll down and look for the option of charger. Select that, and here you have to select is connected, then select run immediately, and here just tap on next option. Now you just have to tap on this search option here, and then search for play. So once I search play, you will get different options here. You can select play sound, play music, play podcast, or you can also play any book, any video memos, or any wall pick. So let's say I'm gonna select play sound from here. So now it's done. Just tap on the done option in the top right, or you can even now still customize that. Just tap on this arrow option here, and then select sound file if you want to get the sound file, or you can even cross it from here, and here just select play music. You can even search it from the search section. Select play music, and it will be added to your screen. Now you just have to tap on music to add music to this section. So once I have done this, tap on the done option in the top right, and now whenever you plug in your charger, it will reveal a different charging sound. So in this way you can easily change iPhone charging sound. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.